Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about Form 1098 mortgage interest statement. So basically Form 1098 mortgage interest statement is issued by the lenders to report amounts paid by homeowner or borrower if it is $600 or more in interest, mortgage insurance premium or points during the tax year. If you pay less than $600 as mortgage interest, then you will not receive Form 1098 mortgage interest statement. Here points refer to prepaid interest made on a home loan to improve the rate of the mortgage offered by the lending institution. These expenses can be used as deduction as on the federal tax return in Schedule A, which reduces the taxable income and overall amount owed to IRS. So basically, the Form 1098 is issued by the lenders, and lenders must file a separate Form 1098 for each mortgage you held. Mortgage interest still deductible. Taxpayer can deduct mortgage interest on up to $750,000 in principal. To deduct mortgage interest, you must be primary borrower on the loan and be actively making payments. If you are itemizing your deduction and plan to claim a mortgage interest, Form 1098 helps you to calculate the amount of your mortgage payments that have gone towards the interest. Mortgage lenders required by the IRS to provide Form 1098 to you if your property is real property. So real property is land and anything that is built on, grown on, or attached to the land. The property uh, for which mortgage interest payment must meet IRS standards, which define home as a space that has basic living amenities, cooking and bathroom facilities, cooperatives, house, trailers, all qualified as home by IRS. Mortgage must be qualified. Qualified mortgage include first and second mortgage, home equity loans, refinance mortgages. So guys, this mortgage interest, you can use it for Schedule A as itemized deduction. It will reduce your taxable income and overall amount owes to IRS. So we will discuss each and every line of this form. Also, one thing I would like to mention that there are different forms like copy B, copy A, and these forms are all available on IRS website. And these different forms are like copy A, which are for IRS or Internal Revenue Service use only. Copy B for payer or borrower's use. Copy C for recipient or lender's use. So these forms are all available on IRS website. You can download and fill the form according to your requirement. So now, line A, mortgage interest. So mortgage interest received from the borrower, that amount will be there on line 1, say $10,000. Guys, I will show you this example which will be report on Drake software by me. The box shows how much interest you paid on your lender for the year. Now coming to box 2, outstanding mortgage principal, say $750,000. Mortgage origination date, now coming to line number 4, refund of overpaid interest. If you overpaid mortgage interest that was refunded, it would be listed here. And Box 5, mortgage insurance premiums. If you are paying private mortgage insurance or mortgage insurance premium for the loan, those amounts are entered here. Now, box 6, points paid on the purchase on the principal resident. The box shows the mortgage points you may be able to deduct. Say $600. Guys, there are total 11 boxes you can see, and from 7 through 11, these include information about the mortgage and the property itself. You can see the address of the property, address of the description of the property securing mortgage, number of properties securing the mortgage, other 11, mortgage acquisition date. Whenever reviewing Form 1098, it's important to verify that all of your personal information, including your name, address, tax identification, is accurate. So guys, be very careful when you review Form 1098. Now, I will report this information to our software Drake so that you will have a better idea. So this is software Drake, and in the general section you have to click on Schedule A itemized deduction schedule. Here, Schedule A itemized deduction. I have already mentioned that mortgage interest is basically used in Schedule A so that your taxable income can reduce or decrease. Now coming to line number 8A, interest paid, Form 1098. So this is the Form 1098 mortgage interest. This is quite same as the form looks like in the software. Here in the left side there is the required information is for recipient and lenders, their federal ID, name, address, payer or borrower information, name, address. Now mortgage interest received. How much was that? $10,000. I will report here $10,000. Outstanding mortgage principal as of 1/1/20, that is $750,000. Mortgage origination date, say 1/1/2019, and the basis and the points paid on purchase of principal resident is $600. Now Control V. Now come to Schedule A itemized deduction. Guys, you can see in line 8A, read the line very carefully. Home mortgage interest and points. So home mortgage interest was 10,000 and the point amount was 600. So combining both, the amount is coming as $10,600. If you don't use all of your home mortgage loans to buy, build or improve your home, see instruction and check the box. Home mortgage interest and points reported on Form 1098 to you. So this is the total amount of home mortgage interest and points. Okay. Now I will show you the form again. See what I have reported here: $10,000 for mortgage interest, 600 for points, outstanding mortgage interest principal $750,000, and mortgage origination date. And you will have all the information regarding recipients or lenders and borrowers as well when you receive a proper 1098 form. So I am repeating what I have already discussed you. Like 1098 mortgage interest form is issued by the lender to report amounts paid by a homeowner or borrower if it is $600 or more in the interest, mortgage insurance premium or points during the tax year. If you pay less than $600, then you will not receive Form 1098. The points refers to prepaid interest made on a home loan to improve the rate on the mortgage offered by the lending institution. These expenses can be used as deduction on federal income tax return in Schedule A, which reduces the taxable income and overall amount owed to IRS. So lenders must file a separate form 1098 for each mortgage you hold. Mortgage interest is still deductible. Taxpayer can deduct the mortgage interest on up to $750,000 in principal. To deduct mortgage interest, you must be primary borrower on the loan and be actively making payments. If you are itemizing your deduction and plan to claim a mortgage interest, Form 1098 helps you to calculate the amount of your mortgage payments that you have done towards interest. And also remember there are several forms of 1098 available on IRS website, like copy A for IRS use, copy B for payer and borrowers use, copy C for recipients or lenders use. Now box 1 is the mortgage interest received from payer. Box 2 outstanding mortgage principal. Mortgage box 3 mortgage origination date. Box 4 refund or overpaid interest. Box 5 mortgage insurance premiums. Point 6 mortgage paid on purchase of principal residence. And from 7 to 11, these are all about the mortgage property information, like the address of the property, number of properties securing the mortgage, mortgage acquisition date, everything will be provided here. So guys, this is all about Form 1098. Hope you have understood. Goodbye.